Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to learn a very interesting lesson, that is lesson number 35, Pinocchio. Okay, Pinocchio. This is one story of one naughty puppet. Okay, so puppet, puppet means what? कठपुतली, जिसको हम हिंदी में कठपुतली कहते हैं. ओके, puppet. So in this lesson there have short stories of this naughty puppet. Okay, so let's start the story. See, long ago there lived a king. You will say immediately, no children, you are mistaken. Okay, means why here gave that king, you will say immediately, because you know that when we read the story, then the starting of the story is always that long ago there lived one king whose name is dash and dash, who lived in so and so. Okay, so when you read it that long ago there lived, then immediately you think about there have story of one king. Okay, but no, it's mistaken, you are mistaken, childrens. Once upon a time there was a piece of wood. Once upon a time there is a piece of wood. Wood means लकड़ी. पीस यानी टुकड़ा, एक लकड़ी का टुकड़ा. A common block of firewood. It was found in the shop of a carpenter, because you know that the carpenter makes the furniture, yes na, using the wood. So there have one piece of wood in the shop of carpenter. एक कारपेंटर के शॉप में एक वुडन का टुकड़ा था, यानी लकड़ी का टुकड़ा था. But whenever he put his tools to the block to cut it, to carve it, or to scrape it, it began to talk. Oh, that hurt! Don't break me, please. Oh, that tickles. See, now you know that the carpenter, when the carpenter want to make the table, chair, that times he should cut that wood. ऐसे ही कोई शेप नहीं रहता है कि टेबल की शेप ऑटोमेटिकली है या चेयर का शेप ऑटोमेटिकली है, ऐसा कभी नहीं रहता है. वो शेप देने के लिए कारपेंटर को क्या करना पड़ता है, वो लकड़ी कट करनी पड़ती है, अच्छी तरीके से उस शेप में कट करनी पड़ती है, फिर वो जॉइंट करनी पड़ती है, उसको कर्व करना होता है, स्क्रैप करना होता है ना. ओके, टू कट इट, टू तराशना. काव मीन्स व्हाट? तराशना. और स्क्रैप मीन्स नोचना, या तो उसको थोड़ा डिज़ाइन वगैरह देना. ओके, उसको बोलते हैं स्क्रैप. सी, whenever he put his tool to the block to cut it, to carve it, or to scrape it, it began to talk. Oh, that hurt! Don't break me, please. Oh, that tickles. Now you can't imagine that. यस ना, कि ऐसे कोई वुडन का टुकड़ा कैसे बोल सकता है कि प्लीज़ मुझे मत काटो, प्लीज़ मुझे तराशो मत, मुझे बहुत हर्ट हो रहा है, मुझे दुख रहा है. ऐसे कोई वुडन का टुकड़ा बोल सकता है क्या व्हेनेवर वी कट इट? नो. बट हियर आई वन स्टोरी ऑफ दिस पिनोकियो. ओके, मीन्स वुडन पपेट. So see, whenever the carpenter want to cut it, carve it, or scrape it, it began to talk. Oh, that hurts! Don't break me, please. Oh, that tickles. Tickles means गुदगुदी होना. ओके, सो जब भी कारपेंटर वो कट करने के लिए लेते थे वो वुडन का टुकड़ा, तभी ये टुकड़ा बोलता था, ए प्लीज़ मुझे मत काटो, मुझे ब्रेक मत करो, मुझे बहुत गुदगुदी हो रही है. अभी आप इमेजिन नहीं कर सकते, बिलीव नहीं रख सकते, इसके ऊपर विश्वास नहीं रख सकते, बट इधर स्टोरी में दिया है कि वो वुडन का पपेट ऐसे बोल रहा था. सी, जस्ट देन हिज नेबर जिपेटो केम इन एंड आस्क फॉर ए पीस ऑफ वुड. जिपेटो वांटेड टू मेक अ वुडन पपेट that could run, jump, and makes its way around in the world. So the carpenter readily gave the piece of wood to Geppetto. See, whenever that wooden piece of wood began to talk, that times one neighbor of this carpenter, whose name is Geppetto. Okay, so this Geppetto came in that shop of carpenter and he asked for a piece of wood. Means this Geppetto wanted a piece of wood. Why he wanted a piece of wood? Why he wants a piece of wood? Because he wanted to make a wooden puppet. ओके उस जिपेट को, जो उस कारपेंटर का नेबर है, उस शॉप में आया और शॉप के उस कारपेंटर को बोलने लगा कि मुझे एक वुडन का टुकड़ा चाहिए. क्यों चाहिए? क्योंकि ये जिपेटो जो है वो वुडन के टुकड़े से एक पपेट बनाना चाहता था. लेकिन ऐसे ही नहीं कि कठपुतली है तो रख दिया, ऐसी पपेट उसको नहीं बनानी थी. तो उसको कैसी पपेट बनानी थी? विच कैन रन, जंप एंड मेक्स इट वे अराउंड इन द वर्ल्ड. जो रन कर सकती है, जंप कर सकती है और उनके साथ पूरे वर्ल्ड में घूम सकती है. ओके, so the carpenter readily gave the piece of wood to Geppetto. So now you know that when the carpenter began to cut that wooden piece of wood, that times that wooden piece began to talk. So carpenter immediately gave that wooden piece to the Geppetto. Okay, then after what happens, see, Geppetto brought the piece home and carved it into a puppet lovingly. As he had no family, he began to think of the puppet as his son and name him Pinocchio. Okay, means this Geppetto brought that piece of wood and he carved it and he gave the shape of puppet to that wooden piece. उस जिपेट्टो ने क्या किया, जो लकड़ी का टुकड़ा लाया था उस टुकड़े को अच्छे से काव करके, अच्छे से तराश के उसको एक पपेट का शेप दिया, बहुत लविंगली. ओके, प्यार से दिया. एज ही हैड नो फैमिली, मीन्स जिपेट्टो लिव्ड इन हिज होम लोनली बिकॉज ही हैड no family, no mummy, no son, no daughter, no wife. Okay, nothing is there in his family, so he is lonely. He was lonely, he had no family. He began to think of the puppet as his son. So which puppet he made from this wooden piece? So he imagined that, or he think that this is my son. Okay, एंड नेम हिम पिनोकियो. उसने बहुत प्यार से उस लकड़ी के टुकड़े को एक पपेट का शेप दिया और उसके घर में कोई नहीं था, उसका ऐसा कोई नहीं था फैमिली मेम्बर. तो उसने ऐसे सोचा कि ये पपेट ही मेरा अभी सन है, मेरा लड़का है, और इसीलिए उसने अपने उस पपेट को नाम दिया पिनोकियो. ओके, बट पिनोकियो वॉज क्वाइट अ नॉटी पपेट. As soon as Geppetto taught it to walk, he ran out the hut. He ran so fast that Geppetto could not catch him. A policeman caught him and brought him back to Geppetto. Now you know that this puppet is very naughty. This Pinocchio was very naughty puppet. So this Geppetto named him Pinocchio and he began to taught him how to walk. जब ये जिपेटो ने उनको उस पपेट को सिखाया कि चलना कैसे है, ये सिखा रहा था, तभी ये नॉटी पपेट ने क्या किया, यानी ये पिनोकियो ने क्या किया, ज़ोर से भाग दिया. उस हट से भी भागा, वो उस झोपड़ी थी, कुटिया थी, उसमें से भी वो भाग निकला. इतना भागा कि दिस जिपेटो couldn't catch him. जिपेटो को भी वो नहीं मिल रहा था. फिर पुलिसमैन ने उसको पकड़ लिया. द पुलिसमैन कॉट दैट पपेट एंड ही ब्रॉट हिम बैक टू द जिपेटो. ओके, दो Pinocchio was such a naughty puppet, Geppetto loved him dearly. He would do anything for his son. But Pinocchio was not always nice to his father. He always promised to be a good boy and tell the truth and obey his father, but more often than not, he forgot all his promises. See, you know that this in the Geppetto family there is a no person. Okay, means Geppetto didn't have any family, so therefore this Geppetto thought that this Pinocchio is my son. Yes, na? And he always loving to him. He always loved to him Though Pinocchio was such a naughty puppet, Geppetto loved him dearly. He would do anything for his son. वो इतना प्यार करता, वो जिपेटो इतना प्यार करता था उस पपेट को कि वो उसके लिए कुछ भी कर सकता था. But Pinocchio was not always nice to his father. ही ऑलवेज प्रोमिसेस टू बी अ गुड बॉय. यह हमेशा अपने पापा को यानी जिपेट को प्रॉमिस करता था कि मैं गुड बॉय बनूंगा, मैं कभी झूठ नहीं बोलूँगा, मैं आपने जो बताया है वो ओबे करूँगा. बट मोर ऑफन दैट नॉट ही फॉरगॉट ऑल हिज प्रॉमिसेस. बट कुछ समय के बाद वो अपने सब प्रॉमिसेस भूल जाता था. Pinocchio wanted to be a real boy, a real son to his father, and not just a wooden puppet. He meant well, but he was only a little wooden puppet and did silly things he should not have done. See, though this puppet is very naughty, this puppet was very naughty, but then only he loved to his father. ये पिनोकियो नॉटी था लेकिन वो अपने पापा से यानी जिपेटो से प्यार करता था. He wanted to be a real boy, a real son to his father, and not just a wooden puppet. He meant well, but he was only a little wooden puppet and did silly things he should not have done. तो ये जो पपेट है उसको ऐसा लग रहा था कि मैं वो सब करूँ जो मुझे करने को नहीं मिले, इसीलिए वो बहुत सिली वर्क कर रहा था. You can read about all his antics in a book called The Adventure of Pinocchio, but here are some of them in short. Means this is a very interesting story. If you wanted to read more and more about this Pinocchio, then you can read the book The Adventures of Pinocchio. Okay, because in this lesson there don't have the whole story and all stories about Pinocchio. In your lesson there is a short story. Okay, so one by one we will see the stories, okay, in next video.